Hello everyone, welcome back to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy, delicious chicken Alfredo from your very own kitchen. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this video. Alrighty everyone, so the first thing we're going to do is get the chicken breast together. I already rinsed it off and patted it dry. And now we're just going to get it seasoned up. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of olive oil on my meat and just rubbing it in. And I'm going to flip it. And I just, used the oil that was left over in there, guys. I didn't add any additional, just a capful on each piece of meat. Just rub it in to coat your meat. Now I'm going to go ahead and rub on my Morton seasoning. Not too much. Alright, as y'all can see, I'm going to be cooking these breasts on my Power XL grill. Okay guys, so we're going to heat this sauce up because we want it to taste as close to homemade as possible. Then you're going to start adding some extra ingredients to it. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to be adding some extra Italian seasoning and some parsley to this sauce mix. Alright, so with the parsley and the Italian mix, guys, I'm only going to be using about 3 tablespoons of each, and I'm going to slowly cook this in here as we're cooking this and heating up this sauce. Alright guys, so now that the sauce has been simmering for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add the last little bit of Italian seasoning and some more of the parsley. And I'm going to save some of the parsley till the end to sprinkle on top. right, now that the noodles are on, let's go check on this chicken breast and see how that's doing. Oh, look at that, y'all. It is looking really, really good. Uh-oh, I almost dropped it. Oh, look at that, guys. This chicken breast is about to be so tender and juicy. Alright guys, so after about 5 to 10 more minutes, these chicken breasts are done. Looking good, looking good. So now we got to get these things chopped up so we can add it to our sauce. Alright guys, now's the fun part. We're going to add this chicken breast into the sauce and we're going to let that simmer together for about another 10 minutes just so everything can get all marinated in there. All the seasoning that was on the chicken breast, that's going to all marinate into that sauce and it's going to give it a really great taste. So now that sauce been marinating for another 10 minutes with the meat inside, we're gonna go ahead and add those noodles, guys. And then you're gonna give it a real good stir. I let mine stay on after that for another 5 minutes and let it simmer just a little bit more. So after you gave that a good stir, this is where we're going to put the last of that parsley in there, guys. You just want to sprinkle it right on top. Just like that, guys. And then I let it sit for a little bit after that before I serve it. And there you have it, guys. Creamy chicken Alfredo.